Get rich slowly sounds boring, but it's how almost every millionaire actually did it. Want to know what they never post on Instagram? Watch this. 1. They automate discipline. Wealthy people don't rely on willpower. They automate saving. 10 to 20% of their income goes straight into asset buying accounts. No decisions. No friction. 2. They buy assets before lifestyle. You want the car, vacation, or watch? Earn it from your investments, not your paycheck. Wealth builders ask, can my assets pay for this? If not, it waits. 3. They play the long game early. Most people start investing at 35. The rich start at 18. Compound interest doesn't care if you're smart, just early. 4. They build quiet streams of cash. You'll never see it on TikTok, but behind the scenes, cash flowing websites, silent equity in businesses, boring real estate. Wealthy people love unsexy income. 5. They think in decades, not days. Poor mindset. How can I make $10 this month? Rich mindset. How can I build something that pays me forever? The slow lane becomes the fast lane if you stay on it. Fast money fades. Long money lasts. Follow me if you're done chasing hype and ready to build real wealth for real life.